See the print preview of this report. The section and okay. Okay. जूम कम करो इसका, क्लिक करो रिपोर्ट के ऊपर, जूम हैंडल आ रहा है, जूम मैग्नीफायर आ रहा है, जूम जूम पे क्लिक करो,
Yes.
क्लिक करो, yes. Now you can see the full page. Okay, still if you want to make some changes, if you want to reduce the size of any column or something like that, so you can again go to the print design tab, design view, and change it. Like we can reduce the gender column size, और if you want to do some colors differently कि gender में जो female और male आ रहा है उसका color अलग होना चाहिए heading का, so that you can do in the design view. Clear everybody? Other students, anybody else who had created forms or reports and they want to share, raise your hand. If anybody else who wants to share your work and discuss in the class. Yes, nobody? Diya, Janvi, Jasmine, Gurdeep, Samiksha, Pari, nobody. That we didn't. But a holidays में जो आपने किया, that was only the table. I am asking about forms, reports or queries which we had discussed in the class. Recently we had done forms and reports yesterday. I want to see what you had done in the computers. I have created in the PC, and you are taking class from some other system. Okay, then you should copy it or you should have it in the pen drive, so that we can discuss in the class. Now we can see कि, what work you are doing, or like जैसे अभी अकुल ने दिखाया, तो whatever improvements or whatever options I can suggest, we can discuss it ना. Similar thing can happen to you also, to your work also, so you will learn better and others can also see and learn कि what changes can be done. Okay, okay, then let's begin with the exercise then. Exercise of the chapter. Okay, open your exercise page. Take your pencils in your hand to fill the exercise first. Okay, first of all, tick the correct answer. You can unmute yourself to give answer, but give answer only one by one. Okay. Dash is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables.
A query.
Query, correct. First answer is query. Okay, second question. In a query, the dash property is used to set the condition on the basis of which records are filtered.
Criteria.
Criteria.
Criteria, correct. Criteria option, in the criteria row, we specify the condition on the basis of which records are filtered from the table. Okay, next question. We can set the multiple criteria in a query using the dash property.
Or property.
Or property. Everybody, other students can also give answer. Or property. Okay. Next one. Dash property is used to filter the data either in ascending or descending order. After criteria, we can arrange the data in ascending or descending order by using the sort property. Correct.
Sort.
Okay, sort property. Correct. Okay, next question. The bottom pane of the select query window displays the dash.
Design grid. Design grid.
Okay, and what is the name of the upper part where table is displayed? What is the name of the upper part? There are two parts of the screen in the query design. Bottom part is okay, design grid. And what is the name of the upper part? Anybody? Okay, let's see. Selected table. No. That is called object relationship pane. I told you in the class also, it is given in the book also. Object relationship pane. Okay. Okay, now remember this. Now next question. Dash is an effective way to organize and summarize data in a printed form.
Report.
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 Okay,
Sorry.
report. Okay, done. Next, true and false. First one, a query help us to
true.
पहले sentence पढ़ोगे, उसका meaning understand करोगे, then give answer. Okay. Okay, a queries helps us to retrieve information from one or more tables that meet a specific criteria.
True.
True. Okay, first one is true. Second one, a report is created exactly in the same way as forms are created.
True.
ट्रू, हमने सेम स्टेप्स फॉलो किए, सिर्फ एक ऑप्शन चेंज करी है कि यस वी कैन चेंज द ऑप्शन, वी कैन क्रिएट टैब, वहां पे फॉर्म्स ग्रुप में फॉर्म ऑप्शन है, यहाँ पर क्रिएट टैब रिपोर्ट्स ग्रुप में रिपोर्ट ऑप्शन है. ठीक है, यू कैन से इट ट्रू एंड यू कैन से इट फॉल्स. इफ अगर हम ऑप्शंस की बात करें तो ऑप्शंस हम डिफरेंट यूज कर रहे हैं, तो वी कैन से कि ऑप्शंस डिफरेंट यूज हो रही है बट मेथड इज सेम. ठीक है, a report can be created exactly in the same way as the form has been created. Okay, method is same. Okay, next one, third option, third is to specify multiple criteria or property is used.
And true.
True. अभी हमने किया fill in the blanks में भी. Okay, true. We cannot run a query without saving it.
False.
False. We can run the query without saving it. We can run the query, we can see the result. After that, we can save it if we want. Okay, next one. The sort property is used to filter the data either in ascending or descending order.
True.
True. Correct. Okay, sixth one. A relationship works by matching a field with the same name in two tables. True. Correct. True. Okay, once a relationship is set, it cannot be deleted.
False.
We can delete the relationship. Okay. Next one. Form view is used to change the structure of your form.
False.
Form view is used to enter the data. It doesn't allow you to change the structure of the form. That can be changed either in layout view or in the design view. Okay. Next, application based question is there. Swati created a database of her classmates and entered 30 records in it. The teacher has asked her to show the data of those students who has scored less than 50% marks. Suggest her the method to apply this criteria.
Sort will be used in it.
Yes, Arish?
Ma'am, sort can be used in it.
Sort में कैसे बेटा? Here we are having the condition कि they want to see the record of those students who scored less than 50% marks. तो conditions हम किस में लगाते हैं?
I'm in the query.
Queries में, correct, criteria में. ठीक है, तो in criteria, in the query grid, in the criteria property, what we will write? Under the marks column. ठीक है, under the marks column in the design grid. ठीक है, in query, then in the design grid के अंदर आपके पास है criteria option, criteria property is there. In criteria property, what will you write? Under the marks column. Under the marks column, What will you write? What will be the condition?
Less than 50.
Less than 50. Correct. So we will write less than 50 marks. This will be the condition that we will give. In query, design grid में criteria under the marks column. ठीक है, under the marks column criteria, sorry इसको हम यहाँ भी लिख सकते हैं. पहले design grid under the marks column criteria will be there and criteria is less than 50. Write it in this way. ठीक है. Okay, next one. Okay, what is the next question? Johnson & Johnson company has a huge database of employees. The company wants to maintain the privacy of each employee, has given the instructions to the computer operator to update each record one at a time. Which database object should they use to perform this task?
Form.
Yes, forms. They do not want कि every employee जो data entry करे, कोई भी employee जो data entry करे, they can view the records of all the other employees also. So they want to restrict everyone to give the data entry only one record at a time. So for that purpose, which object we can use? We can use the forms. So that only at the time of entry, only one record is visible. Okay. Okay, next question. Multiple choice questions. Which query allows addition, deletion, updation, and appending operations on the data?
Action query.
Okay, anybody else who wants to say same thing, or we should go with this answer? Yes. What should be the answer for the first MCQ? Which query, which type of query allows you to the addition, deletion, updation, and appending operation? Okay.
Ma'am, action query.
Action query. Everyone in the chat also saying the same thing. It is action query. Correct. Okay, next one. Which query prompts you for input before it runs?
Parameter query.
Parameter query. Correct. Had you done practically? Practically try kariye parameter query. I told you in the criteria you have to give the message in square brackets only. You do not specify the condition. You just specify the message in square brackets. It will create the parameter query. Okay, next one. Which option is used to change the appearance and size of the various controls on the form?
Layout view.
Layout view.
Okay, and other? It can be done in design view also. मैंने आपको कल सारा changes जो करी हैं वो design view में करके दिखाई हैं, है ना? So it can be done. Its appearance and size of the various controls can be changed from the layout view as well as from the design view. Both the options are correct. ठीक है, बट हाँ अगर आपको डिजाइनिंग में ज्यादा चेंजेस करनी है तो आपको डिजाइन व्यू में ही जाना पड़ेगा. लेआउट में आप ज्यादा चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते हो. Few changes you can do, but most of the changes you can do in the design view. Okay. What does the top section of the query window display? अब top section का name तो हो गया object relationship pane, but what it display?
Selected table.
Correct. Selected table. Correct. Selected table.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the last question, ma'am, जैसे design view और layout view, उसके both answers बने, तो ma'am अगर ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आता है मैम तो हम डिजाइन
उनमें से आप कोई भी एक टिक कर दो, दोनों करेक्ट होंगे, बट दोनों नहीं करना, दोनों में से कोई एक टिक कर दो, बोथ विल बी ओके.
ओके
ओके ओके. हाउ मेनी व्यूज डज द असेस प्रोवाइड टू डिस्प्ले अ फॉर्म?
मैम 4
3 which is correct. अकुल 4 आपके रिपोर्ट्स में होते हैं, फॉर्म में 3 होते हैं. टेबल में 2, फॉर्म में 3, रिपोर्ट में 4. So here it will be 3. Which key defines a relationship between two tables?
Primary key.
Primary key. Correct. Primary key. Okay. Everybody, had you done this in the notebooks? Okay, now come to the question answers. First question. What is a query? Very simple question. What is a query?
A query is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables.
Correct. It is a database object that helps us to retrieve data from one or retrieve information from one or more tables. It is given in the recap points also on page number 52. And we had already done in the previous chapter also. A query is a database object that helps us to retrieve information from one or more database tables. Okay. Now, second question. Explain the parts of the query window. Explain the parts of query window. I just told you the names of the two parts of the query window. What are the two parts of query window? What are the two parts of query window?
Ma'am, object relationship pane and design grid.
Grid. Design grid. First part is object relationship pane. And second is design grid. Now, what is the use of both? What does the object relationship pane display?
Ma'am, all the tables you select
All
to
the
include in your
tables which
query
had
will
been
appear in this.
selected. All the tables which had been selected. Okay, query. And what does the design grid pane display?
And the bottom pane of selected query.
डिजाइन ग्रिड में क्या आता है? सोचो क्या क्या ऐड किया था हमने डिजाइन ग्रिड में?
Ma'am, to add fields present
Fields,
in a
fields
field
and
list.
criteria. Fields and criteria. Object relationship pane, selected tables are displayed here. And design grid, it is used to specify the fields and criteria for the query. कौन से fields हमारे query में होंगे और कौन सा criteria, क्या criteria, क्या condition हम use करेंगे. So object relationship pane displays the selected tables and design grid allows you to specify the fields and criteria for query. Okay. Object relationship pane where it display the selected tables कि कौन-कौन से tables हम use कर रहे हैं query में, and design grid allows you to specify the fields that should be included in the query and what will be the criteria. Now comes to the next question. Hanji, what is the next question? What do you understand by criteria? What is the criteria?
Criteria is the property contain the conditions on the basis of which the records will filter in the query output.
Correct. It is a condition. Criteria is a property in query window that specifies the condition on the basis of which records will be filtered in the output of the query. The condition जिसके साथ आपके records match करेंगे वो records आपके query के output में display होंगे. So criteria property contains the condition on the basis of which records are filtered in query output. Okay. Criteria property contains the condition on the basis of which records are filtered in the query output. Okay, next question. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. What is the next question then?
Ma'am, types of
Into how
query.
many types a query can be categorized? I told you
Select
earlier also.
query,
How many types
parameter
are there?
query.
Action query.
Ma'am,
Okay,
5
select
types.
query.
Five
Correct.
types.
5 types are there.
Pa-
Select query,
pa-
parameter
parameter
query.
query.
Parameter query, cross tab
Action
query.
query. Action query.
SQL.
Okay.
Cross
Action
tab
query. Okay. Cross tab.
SQL
And
query.
last one is
SQL.
SQL query.
SQL.
Correct. SQL query. Okay. Okay, next. Question number 5. Differentiate between select query and parameter query. Anji, who will tell me now the
Select
difference?
query. A
Okay,
select
yes.
query retrieves data. A select query retrieves data from one or more tables and displays the record set in a data sheet.
Okay.
Parameter query. It is a type of select query that promotes you to input. That promotes you for input
Promote
before
नहीं
it
है,
runs.
prompt है. पहली बात prompt है. It is not promote. And both the queries will filter data according to the condition, and they display, both the queries display the data in a data sheet view. That is not a difference. Difference only is in select query you specify the criteria at the design time. At the bottom in the design grid you specify the criteria, but in parameter query you do not specify the criteria at design time, but you give the criteria at runtime. It asks you to input the criteria, it prompts you to input the criteria at the runtime. ठीक है. सेलेक्ट क्वेरी में आप अपना क्राइटेरिया डिजाइन टाइम पे डिजाइन ग्रिड में स्पेसिफाई कर देते हो, दैट इज अ सेलेक्ट क्वेरी. पैरामीटर क्वेरी में आप क्राइटेरिया स्पेसिफाई नहीं करते हो, आप स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स में सिर्फ एक मैसेज डिस्प्ले करवाते हो जो आपको रन टाइम पे डिस्प्ले होता है और आप रन टाइम पे क्राइटेरिया स्पेसिफाई करते हो. द सेम डिफरेंस इज जैसे आपका लेट और इनपुट स्टेटमेंट का डिफरेंस था क्यू बेसिक में, कि लेट स्टेटमेंट में हम वैल्यूज प्रोग्राम लिखते टाइम अज्यूम कर लेते हैं, बट इनपुट स्टेटमेंट अलाउज यू टू एंटर द वैल्यूज एट रन टाइम एवरी टाइम न्यू वैल्यू. जैसे हमने वो डिपार्टमेंट के लिए क्वेरी क्रिएट करी थी, एवरी टाइम इट आस्क यू टू एंटर द डिपार्टमेंट नेम. तो जो डिपार्टमेंट नेम आप एंटर करते हो उस डिपार्टमेंट की क्वेरी आपको रिजल्ट जो वो डिस्प्ले कर देता है. ठीक है, दैट इज अ पैरामीटर क्वेरी. सेलेक्ट क्वेरी में आपको डिपार्टमेंट का नेम एट द डिजाइन टाइम क्रिएट बताना पड़ता है. तो फॉर दैट पर्पस यू हैव टू क्रिएट द 5 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेरीज फॉर 5 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट्स. ओके, सो व्हाट विल यू राइट? सेलेक्ट क्वेरी. अब बताओ क्या लिखोगे इन सेलेक्ट क्वेरी? क्या करना पड़ता है हमें? एनीवन? यस आरिश, क्या लिखेंगे?
मैम, द क्राइटेरिया इन सेलेक्ट क्वेरी.
एक सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाना है कि सेलेक्ट क्वेरी में क्राइटेरिया जो है वो एट द डिजाइन टाइम वी स्पेसिफाई.
Define the criteria at the design time.
Correct. In select query we define the criteria at design time. ठीक है, criteria in design at design time कर लो, चलो at design time in the design grid. ठीक है, while in parameter query
The criteria
We give
is
input
added
at
by
the
input
runtime.
at
we
runtime.
input the criteria in parameter query, we input the criteria at runtime. Understand the concept, then write the sentence in your own language. Don't go for the book sentence कि हाँ book में ये लिखा तो वो correct ही होगा या वो meaningfully होगा हमारे आंसर के accordingly. क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंगली जरूरी नहीं है कि हर सेंटेंस या हर डेफिनेशन जो बुक में दी है वो अप्रोप्रिएट हो. सो अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट फर्स्ट, देन राइट इट इन योर ओन लैंग्वेज. ठीक है, select query, we define the criteria at design time in the design grid, while in parameter query we define the criteria or we input the criteria at runtime. Okay, okay, next question, what is a form?
A form is a piece
A form
of
is a piece
paper
of paper on which a
Okay,
user
one by
fills
one. Akul,
required
Akul.
A form is a piece of paper on which a user fills required information in specific fields.
दैट इज इन जनरल टर्म की फॉर्म. मेरे पास एक हाथ में मेरे पास एक पेपर है जिसमें हम इंफॉर्मेशन एंटर करते हैं. व्हाट इज द आंसर अकॉर्डिंग टू द असेस डाटाबेस एज अ डाटाबेस ऑब्जेक्ट? व्हाट वी कैन से व्हाट इज अ फॉर्म? पीस ऑफ पेपर
Ma'am,
तो
it
ठीक है, हम जो पेपर फॉर्म क्रिएट कर रहे हैं दैट इज नॉट अ पीस ऑफ पेपर.
ma'am, it allows us to add and update data in the record at a time in a table.
हाँ, form is a database object that allows you to enter data in the table, that allows you to enter data in database, one record at a time.
One report at a time.
ठीक है, it is a database object. A form is a database object that allows you to enter data in database one record at a time. One record at a time. Okay. Now next question, what is a report and how will you print a report? What is a report?
Ma'am, a report is an effective way to organize and summarize data for viewing and
In a printable format for viewing or printing. ठीक है, you can organize and summarize the data for viewing and printing. Correct. A report is an object, database object is a database object. Again, it is an object of the database that organize and summarize. जैसे अभी हमने डिपार्टमेंट वाइज समराइज किया डाटा को. Organize and summarize the data for viewing or printing. And how will you print it?
ma'am,
File
to
tab.
print a report, select file, click on File tab, Print option,
Correct.
click on desired
That's
print
it.
option.
That's it. That's it. इतना sufficient है. To print a report, click on File tab, Print option. ठीक है, clear? हाँ जी, क्लियर है यहाँ तक?
Yes, ma'am.
Now all of you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
do these question answers, only the question answers. I think 7 question answers are there. All of you will do these 7 question answers in your fair notebooks, and you will send me the copies on Thursday, not tomorrow. ठीक है, कल नहीं भेजनी अभी आपने, ना ही आज भेजनी है. You will send me the copies on Thursday. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.